Air conditioner keeps turning off automatically. What is the permanent fix? An air conditioner that turns off by itself, known as short cycling, is often a protective mechanism triggered by a fault in the system. The most common causes include dirty filters, refrigerant leaks, thermostat issues, or electrical problems. Here is a breakdown of the causes and permanent fixes for an air conditioner that keeps turning off automatically. Dirty, clogged air filter. Number 1 cause. A clogged filter restricts airflow, causing the evaporator coils to freeze or the system to overheat. Low refrigerant, gas leak. If the refrigerant is low, the system works harder, overheats, and shuts down to protect the compressor. Dirty condenser coils. Dust, debris on the outdoor unit prevents heat from releasing, leading to overheating. Faulty thermostat. Incorrectly placed thermostats, in direct sun, or malfunctioning sensors can misread the room temperature. Electrical failures. Loose wiring, a failing capacitor, or a faulty circuit board, PCB, can disrupt operation. Oversized unit. An AC that is too large for the room cools it too quickly and shuts down before removing humidity. Permanent fixes. To permanently fix the issue, you must address the root cause, not just the symptom. Clean or replace air filters monthly. Ensure unrestricted airflow to prevent freezing and overheating. Clean the outdoor condenser coil every 6 to 12 months. Clear leaves and dirt, and wash the metal fins with a soft brush or gentle water stream to improve heat dissipation. Fix refrigerant leaks and recharge. If the system is low on refrigerant, there is a leak. A licensed technician must find the leak, repair it, and top up the gas. Recalibrate or relocate the thermostat. Move the thermostat away from direct sunlight, air vents, or heat-producing appliances. Check electrical components, capacitor, wiring. Replace faulty capacitors and tighten loose wiring. A hard start kit may be needed if the compressor is struggling. Clear the drainage line. Clean the condensate drain line to prevent water from backing up and tripping the safety switch. When to call a professional HVAC technician. While some fixes are DIY, like replacing filters, these issues require professional help to ensure a permanent, safe fix. Refrigerant leaks or adding gas. Frozen evaporator coils that recur after cleaning the filter. Compressor failure. Electrical problems or burning smells. PCB, circuit board, replacement.